I'm gonna also request for the boardings. We're gonna also disconnect the external power, but first we're gonna select the APU to on. On the display you can see the N2 is starting rotating, the generator is starting to power up. So the APUs are running now. Select the APUs, disconnect all the external equipment. You just need to wait for the little truck to move the external air, and then we can select the upper and lower recirculate fan to on, also with the packs to normal. So the little truck is coming to take the generators. So the external air is being disconnected, and the the upper and lower recirculate fan goes to on, packs goes to normal. We are parked at gate Alpha 9. We push back. We're gonna push back from this side. The nose will be facing to this side. We're gonna taxi to Tango Alpha 2. Then on a bigger scale here, let me just zoom in a little bit. So pushing back from this side, taxi to Tango Alpha 2 from this taxiway here, then to Tango, then Tango 2, and on runway 08 left. So the passenger boarding is already been done. I'm gonna close the door for the passengers. Now we're gonna wait for the forward boarding to be finished. So now we're gonna do the pre-flight checklist. Pre-flight checklist. Logbook is checked. Let me just move this. I will read it. At the same time, I have to check it if everything is properly being set. Circuit breakers normal, IRS is on now. Electrical, the practice is on and set. Ice protection is all set. Fuel system is set. Power switch is in. Emergency light is on. Pressure and air condition is all set. Altimeters 1017 on both. Oxygen mask is normal, source selector is normal, instrument is normal, all quantities is checked, fuel is checked, gear lever is down and green, CDU is set and activated. Fuel control switch is cut off. Brakes is set and cabin sign is on. ACAS is set and reader radar is tested. Okay, now we're gonna arm the doors and remove the chock. Arm all doors. Forget to show you here. Remove the chock wheels. We're gonna do the push and start. Nose to the left. So before start procedure, selecting the system 1 to auto, then 2 to auto, 3 auto, then 4 goes to aux. We don't have any aux on 1, so it goes to auto. Then all the fuel pumps goes to on, apart from the center one, which we don't have any fuel. I can show you on the system, we don't have any fuel here in the center tank, so the pump stays off, and the beacon lights goes to both on. Before start checklist now. Before start checklist, number 4 is on aux, then all the pumps is in auto. Fuel pumps is usable on. XVD is open, beacon is on both. On. Door is closing arm. Seatbelt sign is on. Flight attendants is being advised.
Departure check completed. Flight estimate inserted. Repeat parking brake. Commencing push. Solid and clear. Start at wheel.
So I'm gonna start the engine now. The start sequence is 4 to 1. So packs 2 and 3 goes to off. Then we select the ignition, the start switch to on. Then on the N2, we wait for it to reach 25%. Then we flip the control switch to run. There you go. Hola. Gonna start engine 3 now. Set parking brakes. Start engine 2. Start engine 1 now. Waiting for the engine run to be idle. Then we're gonna do the after start procedure. Okay, so we got all four on. We got a good start on all four engine. APU goes to off. Hydraulics 4 goes to auto, and the packs go back to normal. We're gonna recall, do a flight test. Full left, full left, full right, neutral, full up, full down, neutral, rudder, full left, full right, then neutral. So we are all set, and before taxi checklist. Before taxi checklist, APU is off, hydraulic lever pump is auto, engine anti-ice is auto, packs is normal, and we got the wave. So we retrieve the wave and we can get out of here. Taxi lights on and strobe light goes to on. Parking brakes off and off we go.